Hello everyone, this is Jaycee. This is a new network topology which is connecting four office branches. I have four routers, four switches, two hosts, and two VoIP phones. Now the host and the VoIP is connected to my VMware, and then just to explain this, okay, this is the my main or the center network topology. Now for me to go or for me to call this number, I need to ensure that the Jaycee Alabang router and Jaycee Makati is configured properly. Or not, then it means that I'm not able to call router 6 or I'm not able to call the phone here. Okay. Now let's go to serial link of router 5 to Jaycee Alabang. As you can see, the IP address set there is 200.35.36.4/30. That is the network of that serial. Now on Jaycee Alabang to Jaycee Makati, this is the IP address of that serial, 200.36.37.4.30. That is the network of that serial. Jaycee Makati to router 6, this is the network, which is 200.37.38.4/30. And per serial port, this is the IP address 200.35.36.5/30, and this one is the .6. Same goes to the other routers. I use /30 because I only need two hosts. Okay. Now here, as you can see, router 5 is connected to the switch, which is I use port G0/0 or gigabit interface gigabit. I use 192.168.35.0/24, and that's the reason why this G0/0 is labeled as 192.168.35.1. Okay. Now let's go to the configuration. This is my configuration on Las Piñas router. As you can see here, gigabit 0/0 is configured as IP address as 192.168.35.1, and then /24. This is a subnet mask of /24. Let's go back to topology again. This one. Okay. Okay, I used a DHCP, which is I configured DHCP on this router for the host and for the phone to have an automatic IP address. And this is the config. There is an option 150 IP 192.168.35.1 because I have a soft phone. Without this option or without this configuration, it will not work, or my soft phone will not work. This is the interface serial link port IP address 35.36.5 and /30, because the subnet mask of that is 255.255.255.252. Let's go back to our topology again. There you go, 200.35.36.5/30. Okay, let's go back to the notepad again. This is the IP route that I use for that router. Okay, I also set up the telephony service for my phone to have a an extension. This one. Okay. Now let's go back, or let's go to the router Alabang now. This is the config. This is the IP route. I set up to serial link because serial link 2/0 is router 5 going to the Jaycee Alabang. Now since I need to connect this router to this router, and that's the reason why I open two links or two serial link, which is this one. This is the IP route as well. Same goes to this. Okay, I also set up two serial link because this one Makati go to router 6. This is the IP route, and this is the last configuration, which is router Pasig. I set up phone there because I have a VoIP, and I set up 2 extension on that VoIP. Okay, let's go now to my VMware, which is this one. This phone is connected to my router 5, or in our topology is 1. And as you can see, I have two IP addresses because I set up 2 network IP address, or 2 network card on this VMware. The .35.21 is the router 5, or which is this one, and 36 is my router 2, which is Las Piñas router, or no, I mean Alabang router. Same goes to this one. This one is connected to router 6, and the other network card is connected to router Makati. Okay, let's test this now. This should be work. Let me call my other branch, which is 3501. There you go. It's working. 3801. So when we answer that, hello. Okay. So if I'm going to use the other extension 3555, going to call the other branch 3888. It's working, right? Hello. There you go. So as you can see here, my phones are working at the same time. I was able to contact the other office, which is the other end of my topology, this one. I was able to call this, which is good. That's all, folks. This is just to show to everyone that this one is working. Bye bye.